Good day, viewers. Welcome again to my channel. Second matter, the solution to your math problems. This is Gtle Jhs Essential Exams, JHS Mathematics, April 2024, objective question number 26. The mean age of 6 students in the class is 16 years. A student joins them and the mean age becomes 17 years. What is the age of the 7th student? So there's a question under application of mean. So now, let's begin with the first statement. The mean age of 6 students in a class is 16 years. So what is the formula for calculating the mean age of 6 students? So the mean age of 6 students is equal to the sum of the ages of the 6 students divided by 6. But we know that the mean age of these 6 students is 16. So here is 16, and this must be equal to sum of 6 divided by 6. So now let's solve for sum of 6. So we can divide this by 1, because 16 is the same as 16 on 1. Then we can cross multiply. So we have 16 times 6. That is 96. And then 1 times sum of 6. We have sum of 6. So sum of 6 is equal to 96. So now what is the meaning of sum of 6? Now sum of 6 here is telling us that when we add up the individual ages of the 6 students, we should get a sum of 96 years. So this is in years because we are talking about age. So when we add up the individual ages of the 6 students, we will get a sum of 96 years. So that is for the first statement. Now the second one, a student joins them and the mean age becomes 17 years. So initially there were 6 students. There were 6 students in the class. Now, the 6th student has been joined by another student. So it means that we now have 7 students in the class. And then when we when we calculate the average age of the 7 students, that gives us 17 years. So now, let's also create a formula for calculating the mean age of 7 students. So the mean age of 7 students is equal to the sum of the ages of the 7 students divided by 7. By this time, the mean age of the 7 students is 17. So this should be equal to sum of 7 divided by 7. So we have 17 is equal to sum of 7 on 7. Again, 17 can also be written as 17 on 1. Since we are looking for sum of 7, we can cross multiply. So now, what is 17 times 7? We have 119. 119, and then 1 times sum of 7, we have sum of 7. So sum of 7 is 119. We are talking about age, so in years. So again, what does sum of 7 mean? Sum of 7 means that when we add up the individual ages of the 7 students, that should also give us a sum of 119 years. So we want the age of the 7th person. So when they were 6, their ages sum up to 96 years. But we see that when they were 7, their ages are summing up to 119. So we are looking for the age of the 7th student. So it is clear that the age of the 7th student will be the difference between the ages. So that will be sum of 7 minus sum of 6. Remember, sum of 7 we have 119, and then sum of 6 we have 96. So what is 119 minus 96? So that is 23. 23. So we could see that the age of the 7th person, or the 7th student is 23. So the right answer is option B. Please like, comment, and share the video.